In today's video, I want to review the Intex Rechargeable Handheld Pool Vacuum. It's pretty easy to put together. All you have to do is connect the front brush, then you'll insert the telescoping pole into the back, and it just connects with a little clip. It also comes with a much smaller brush and a much shorter pole if needed. One thing I do like about it is it's very easy to recharge it right here. All you have to do is plug that up into a USB port, and then also in order to use it, you just switch it over to the number 1, and it's time to start cleaning. We have used this item for a while, and it has worked pretty well for us. The battery life is pretty long, and it can also get most of the items in our pool, such as leaves, dirt, and sand. Another thing I like about this item is that it actually sucks these items up into this canister, unlike other items we've used like this where it sucked them into a bag or something like that, and sometimes those items could get out. This way it keeps them in the canister until you're ready to dump them out. Another thing I really like about the vacuum is it's super easy to get all the debris out. All you're going to do is make sure the water's out, then you open up this little top compartment right here, and you can just go ahead and get all the leaves or any other type of debris out of there, and all it is just to dump it out, and then you're ready to go clean again. I do recommend after every few cleanings that you do clean out your vacuum. All you have to do is just take a water hose. You can pop this top off, clean out any other debris or anything that might be in the way right here. And then you can also do the same thing with the cylinder as well. You're just going to spray some water in there and it will clean everything out, and it should be ready for your next use. But overall, this has been a great pool vacuum for us. We like that it has the long battery life and no cord while using. Also gets most of the debris out of our pool, is pretty easy to clean, and it also has a telescoping pole, which is super helpful to get the entire pool clean. I think it's a great item and we highly recommend it. If this video was helpful, you can check out another pool video here, and I'll see you over there.